When researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. When people with celiac disease eat gluten, a protein found in wheat, rye, and barley, their body mounts an immune response that attacks the small intestines. These attacks led to damage to the villi, small finger-like projections that line the small intestines that promote nutrient absorption. When the villi get damaged, nutrients cannot be absorbed properly into the body. Celiac diseases is hereditary and can lead to other health problems if left untreated. It can develop at any age after people start consuming gluten. The student wants to discuss the effects of celiac disease on a person suffering from it. So which choice most effectively uses information from the notes to accomplish this goal? So let's take a look at the goal of the student. The student wants to discuss the effects of celiac disease, right? So let's make a note of it. So the goal is to emphasize the effects of celiac disease, right? So which option talks about the effects of the celiac disease? That would be the right answer. Let's take a look at the options one by one. So while the celiac disease can develop at any age, it is predominantly hereditary. Right now, A again, it's factually correct, but it does not state the effects of the celiac disease. Therefore, option A can be eliminated. Moving on to option B, when gluten is consumed by people suffering from celiac disease, their body produces an immune response in which villi and small intestines are actually damaged. This reaction does not facilitate the correct absorption of nutrients into their body. Now, B answers the question correctly because it talks about the effects of the celiac disease, right? It's points, you can look at this, points number 1, 2, and 3 from the student notes also state the effects of the celiac disease or the consequences of the celiac disease, right? So that is clearly summarized in point B. So B could be the right answer because it talks about the consequences of the disease. Let's keep B on hold. Moving on to option C. Gluten is a protein found in food items such as wheat, rye, and barley. Option C just talks about the fact. It doesn't talk about the effects of the celiac disease. So C can be eliminated. Moving on to option D. While celiac diseases is not reversible, the consumption of a gluten-free diet can alleviate the symptoms. Just like the other options, D doesn't answer the question about the effects of the celiac disease. So D is eliminated. The correct answer for this question should be option B.